Oh dear, oh good. So, I booked my hood release cable. It's kind of frayed and broken and stuff. Yeah. So I bought a new one. Trying to get the old one out. Man, is this thing zoomed in? Stop that. Fuck this fuse box. Fuck it, fuck it, fuck it. There's a wire. And back here. Is that it? Yeah. That's where I gotta get it through. And I can't take the fuse box out because it's confusingly complicated. Undid the screws and it's still not coming out. Probably because all the wires in there. But, yeah. Trying to get the hood release cable out because the hood release cable broke. That's really annoying. So, yeah. Fuck that thing. Alright. So, got a brand new shiny hood release cable. I didn't actually have to remove the box. I just slipped the wire behind it and it worked. It's just a bit of a pain in the ass. Looks pretty nice though. There's the old son of a bitch. I think it was a pain. But yeah. Also missing that bolt. Oh well. But now we're in a bit of a pickle debacle things. Broken stuff. What do? Things are old and rusty and stuff, so it doesn't want to open.